Tired of dusty shelves and unread stories? Let's turn your love for books into a profitable venture by becoming a book consignee. First, let's talk sourcing. Your mission is to find quality books at rock-bottom prices. Think garage sales, estate sales, library book sales, and even clearance sections. In larger bookstores, look for popular titles, recent releases, and books in excellent condition. Gently used is the golden rule here for building trust with buyers. Next up, inventory management. Once you've sourced your treasures, it's time to organize. Create a simple spreadsheet or use an inventory app. Record the book title, author, condition, your purchase price, and your desired selling price. This is crucial for knowing your profit margins and keeping track of what you have. Now, promotion and sales. High-quality photos are essential. Show off the book's cover and any unique features. Craft compelling descriptions that highlight the book's genre, author, and its appeal. Consider online platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or even setting up your own social media shop. Local consignment shops are also a fantastic avenue to explore. The strategy for maximizing profits is simple: price competitively, but ensure you're covering your costs and making a healthy margin. Factor in the consignment fee you'll pay to the shop or platform, and remember to account for any shipping costs. Consistent effort in sourcing, organizing, and promoting will lead to a thriving book consignment business. So, start hunting those deals, get organized, and prepare to bring delightful stories to new readers while building your own income stream. Happy book selling.